This is a part 2 of my volcano. Why? Because fun volcanoes. 4. Because, just one. Because, until 4. But I didn't say that in the first part of this video. But, come on. Remember the things that we use? We don't need to list anymore. We'll not talk with this, but I'm gonna wash this and all of them. I didn't wash it yet. Okay. There we go. I don't want to mix it up in there, so I just have to use my code because there's nothing else. Alright, get the volcano one. Don't leave. I just want to wash it. I want to wash it. Okay, I'm gonna get another tissue, okay? Wait. How about it's like we just cover it out, push it inside the volcano, push it into the holes. A hard powder and a soft powder, and that's the opposite. So the white one's hard, and the orange one is soft. And you see my dad before. My dad changed the clothes. We live in a house with other family. Cause we don't have a house anymore. We're going out of our house, never coming back for 1 year. Cool, right? And that's why I bring a bread car and there's like 6 seats. So, I use a black car for others to go in the car playing and all the way back. Cool. Okay, let's just continue stirring it. I didn't wash this yet. So I'm gonna just use the tissue. That's enough too for it. Now we mix. We mix it up like so. If you don't remember, I'm gonna teach you, and I still remember, so that's why. And then we stir it carefully, and then take some water. How about we use 2 cups? I have 2 cups in one bowl. So we can do it 2 times and not using cups and fill water again, just 2 times like that. Okay. Now this, my dad teach me how to get the water. I do it like this. Let's do it again with already up, something. Cause I'm in the Indonesia one, so I'm not. Oh yeah, erupting volcano. I see. Okay. So this is a part 2 of my video, right? I'm afraid that I didn't share the part 1 first, but after this one video, let's do it 2. Because 3 and 2 makes 5. I want to do it again, but make sure you don't leave because this is cool. Cool. When we put it on a wall, it's like erupting water volcano because it can spill out of the volcano. And that's why we need a lot of tissue to... Oh wait, I forgot to turn the water off. There we go. I'm gonna wash the inside so it will not should erupt already. Remember what we used, alright? That I said, okay? So we use the soft powder. It's so soft that I don't need any hard, but this one's hard. Okay. Oh wait, I forgot this, okay? And we mix it like I said. I'm like doing something like experiment for real, not just like with something else, like making stuff or something. I'm not making anything, okay? It just gives me all the materials I needed to make this volcano, okay? But the white one's hard, and so this orange one is like soft, the white one's hard. That's an opposite, and I wonder why it's soft and part like opposite. Okay. Oh, come on. This is like it's covering the whites. I did over here and then bubbles here. So in the beginning, and I do it again and again for part 1, part 2 of my volcano. Okay, this time we need water, right? Why I said I mean I don't know, okay, but I did have to use it like this. My dad teach me how to do it. It's from the beginning it was like this, right? But you just take it like this and you don't need to get off already. Do it slowly. Watch the explosion. It's popping like real lava. But the dark lava is like not hot, obviously. But so light of the lava, it means it's super hot. So this one's just dark, so it's okay to touch. But in your camera, it's like white. Look at the bubbles popping. Oh my god, now there's big bubbles. Pooh. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and say bye. Bye.